Hello everyone, and welcome to the sixth video of the Learn HTML series. We've already added a paragraph before, but now we're going to learn a bit more about it. So let's start by opening our template file in our text editor. So here we got our template file. I'm going to open it with Notepad. So here we go. So first question before starting anything, what is a paragraph? Well, a paragraph always starts on a new line. And it's usually a block of text. So a paragraph is defined in HTML by the p tag. So let's add a couple paragraphs to show you the effects. So in the body, I'm going to type in a block of text. So let's call it a block of text. Very original. This is a paragraph. Let's type another one. And it's going to be called another block of text. And let's close it. Okay, now we got two paragraphs here. Now let's save this file. We're gonna save this as paragraphs.html. And it's here in our folder. Let's double click on it to open it. And here we go, we can see two paragraphs, a block of text, another block of text. Now let's go back. What will happen if we do this? So we go here, this. Let's do it like this. So what do you think will happen if I save this and show it in the browser? Well, let's see. I'm going to refresh the browser and there is still no difference. But how is that? I've put in a couple of new lines, but it isn't shown in the browser. Why? So there is actually no difference, as you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. But to display the text in our web page the same way as our HTML file, we can use the pre tag. So if we replace the p for paragraph to pre, let's do it. If we then save the file and reload the browser, you can see that the text is now shown as we've written it in our HTML file. This is because the pre element defines pre-formatted text. The text inside the pre element preserves both spaces and line breaks. If you really want to have a line break in a paragraph, then we can use the PR tag. Let's do it in this one. So if you want to have a line break here, we can do PR like this. And this will cause a line break into our paragraph. So we have another line break block of text. We can also define a horizontal break between our paragraphs to separate the content. We do this by adding a HR tag. So if you want to separate the pre element and the p element, we can go in between and we can place the HR element here, which causes a horizontal line. As you've noticed, the HR tag and the PR tag are empty elements. They are empty tags, which means that it has no end tag or no content. We've now learned about displaying text in paragraphs by using the p or pre tag. In the next video, we will learn more about text formatting so we can display different kinds of text. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.